Hello everyone, I'm Paul and this is problem 3622. Check divisibility by digit sum and product. This is a relatively simple AC problem, so let's see how to solve it step by step. We are given a positive integer n, and we need to check if n is divisible by the sum of two things, the digit sum of n and the digit product of n. We return true if n is divisible by this sum or false otherwise. So let's say that n is 23. The sum of the digits here is 2 plus 3, meaning 5. And the product of the digits is 2 times 3, meaning 6. If we do 5 plus 6, the result is 11. We need to check if 23 is divisible by 11. Here the result is 1, and given that this number is different from 0, 23 is not divisible by 11. So in this scenario, we return false. So we need to get the sum and the product of the digits of the number that we are given. For this, we should iterate digits one by one somehow. There are basically two ways to do this. One is we can transform the number into a string and then iterate characters one by one. The other one is with math. Space complexity for the string method is big O of log base 10 of n. Why? Well, because we need space for the string, right? And this is given by the amount of digits in the number. For numbers in base 10, we have log base 10 of n digits. Space complexity for the math method is big O of 1. Here we don't need a string. And time complexity for both methods is big O of log n because we have to iterate this amount of digits. Given that the math approach is slightly more efficient, let's see how this works now. How can we extract the rightmost digit of this number? Well, we can take the number 23 modulo 10 because it's a base 10 number and the result is 3. And how can we remove the digit? Well, we do the number 23 divided by 10. The result is the number without the last digit, meaning 2. So once we extract this digit, we can add it to the corresponding sum and to the corresponding product. This is initially 1 because we are about to multiply this by the new digit. So it's very important to not start from 0. Remember that 0 times anything is 0. Okay? So we start from 1. We do 1 times 3 and the new product is 3. Then the new number is a 2. So we need to extract the rightmost digit, meaning the only digit. So we do 2 modulo 10. The result is 2. The new sum is 3 plus 2, meaning 5. The new product is 2 times 3, meaning 6. Now we need to remove this digit, so we do 2 divided by 10, and the result is 0. Given that this is a 0, we can end the loop now. This is the final sum, this is the final product, and now we can take product plus sum, meaning 5 plus 6, the result is 11, and we check if 23 modulo 11 is equal to 0. In this scenario, it's a 1, which is different from 0, so the final result in this scenario is false. So with this in mind, now let's go with the code. First, we can say that digit sum is 0, digit product is 1. Remember to not start with 0 here. We have a copy of the number that we are given because we are about to transform the number, but we need it as it is for the final output. So we have a copy, and now we can say while the copy is different from 0, we extract the rightmost digit. This is equal to copy modulo 10. Now we can say ds plus equal the last digit, dp times equal the last digit, and now we need to remove the digit from the copy, so copy divided equal 10. After this while loop, now here we can return n modulo the sum ds plus dp equals 0. So if the number that we are given is divisible by the result, we return true, else we return false. Let's submit this and see if it works. As you can see, this works and it's very efficient. So if you found this useful, please drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.